Hey y'all, this is my brother Jonell Snoring. Alexander, Alex, this is crazy. As you can see, this is Jonell Snoring. As you can see, this is Jonell Snoring. I'm taking a video of Jonell snoring. So show Jonell this. I wait 10 minutes. I wait 10 minutes.
Your tablet?
Heck no, I'll wait till 10 minutes after the video goes on.
Shut up, Isaiah.
Hey, baby.
And we can keep going, E. We can only keep going. We just can't be fucking with him no more.
If I don't put this on YouTube,
Right.
this is gonna go on viral.
Turn your back on somebody after all this bullshit.
Hey, baby.
This is crazy, y'all.
Perfect opportunity, but they always go back and home.
Shut up, Isaiah.
Hold on, I got this.
That's all you got.
Dang, he got a grip.
You see what he's always got.
Dang.
You don't cleanse your mouth.
Oh, well, I was again. I'm going back and forth.
Hold on, Janelle. I gotta show you something.